Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change Google Play Store country. So let's get started. So if you want to change your Google Play Store's country, so to do that what you have to do is just simply follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just open up your Play Store, and after opening up your Play Store application, from here just tap on the profile icon which is on the top right. After tapping on the profile icon, just tap on payments and subscriptions. Inside your payments and subscriptions, you will find payment method options. Just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, just simply tap on more payment settings. And inside your more payment settings, from here what you can do is just tap on the 3 bar icon which is on the top left. After tapping on the 3 bar icon, now you just have to tap on settings. Inside your settings, now you will find this country and region options. Just simply tap on the pencil icon and then tap on create new profile. And after tapping on create new profile, just tap on continue and then select your country or region that you would like to change to. For example, I would like to change to Argentina, so I'll just simply select it and then tap on continue. After tapping on continue, now you have to enter the following details about the place and then tap on submit, and you will successfully change your region. So that's it guys, this is how to change Google Play Store country. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.